Video presentation. Aprendiz Luis Castro. File 3134553. Course AXO. Technology Tool. Primero, Metal Detection. Smartphone. Surveillance Camera. Communication Radar. My occupation. The educational community in my work environment as challenge its perception of security and believes that the use of technology tool is possible. Conclusión. In my field of work, technological innovation generated benefits for users and employees since in production security and comprehensive well-being at all times. A calm environment expand and improves consistency in general. In short, that challenge is well received and demonstrated great is from the community in its challenges.